So Bobby and I are camping, and they say they're going to have a car show here. So let's go. What the hell?
I see her rolling up over black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats.
All right, like I said, they said they were going to have a car show. So since we were close to home, we ran home and got Bobby's 49 so we could participate. And it was pretty cool of them to let us in because we did find out it was a car and truck show. Car and motorcycle show only. But they did let us in. It was pretty cool. I'm glad we did come down because how often do you get to see a Cushman? That's pretty cool. The same gentleman who owns this Cushman has a Model T and a Diamond T truck. I'll show you them in a little while. So at this local show, I run into a guy I worked with years ago. Good to see you again, Tim. So it's always cool to go to these shows and run into old people, you know. We got that nice Toyota. We'll check him out a little bit more. And again, here's that Model A or Model T. I'm not really sure. I apologize. I think it's a T. 26T, I think it is. But anyway, the same guy that owns the Cushman and the Diamond owns that one. Oh, we got a nice 70 Chevelle. Yeah, that's pretty nice. This thing was smooth. Yeah, I like that. I love the double headlights on that one. Sweet. And we also run into George. Oh, he had his Merc out. Man, that car has a beautiful interior in it, too. Good seeing you, George. Oh, look, we got a HHR convertible. I'm glad we're starting to see these. They are really cool. So hopefully they'll start coming out to more and more shows, too. That guy is a nice guy. It's a 48 F1. And we parked next to him. There's Bobby's 49. And again, here's that custom. You saw in the beginning. Chop top, sitting on a S10 frame. There's a Diamond T over there. So that was pretty cool. Hey, George. And they had a band here. It was a dude. His name was Dave Reed. He was pretty good, I'm telling you. And they had food vendors. I hit the smash burger up, man. It was delicious. We had a sweet Corvette. Only one Corvette there, though. But this was a nice example of it, so good job. This thing looked good. Look at this. SS 396 67 Chevelle. And it's got the rallies I like with the small caps. Not if you have it. I like yours too, but I like the small caps. Pretty blue color, clean interior. It was nice. It was a nice car. So this car, it was built back in the 90s, I believe. And at the time, they went to all the junkyards in the area and got every spare part they could get. They even have spare glass and chrome and stuff like that, which is good because now you can't find any of that. So when I found out, it's my buddy Jeff's car. When I found out they were having a show here, I posted on Facebook and told everybody come down and bring their cars. Well, he came down and he did get Best of Show later, which you'll see. Oh, this was nice. So this, I believe, belongs to the park owner, I think the daughter or the husband. And this is a nice car, really nice. It's pretty and clean. Look at the interior in this. I love the dash in these old cars. You just can't beat it. They even had a Porsche there. Isn't that pretty cool? I like the older Porsches. But look at that emblem. That just jumps out, doesn't it? Nice. And once again, this is another car that belongs to the park. Yeah, it's a nice old Beetle. So there's Tim's again. So I remember I have a picture hanging in my office of probably 20 years ago. Oh, it was more than 20. Of us at a car show. And there was a picture his sister took from a lift. And that's back when the car was blue. Heck, it had to be about 22 years ago. And there's that Toyota. Hey man, this is a clean little car. This is the future. We need to include these cars so these car shows don't just stop. All right. They had people out there just enjoying the food, the music, and the car show. And like I said, Dave Reed was playing pretty good up there. Also, the park took you on a ride through the park on this wagon. It was pretty sweet. So this is the Diamond T. So I did find out something about this Diamond T. There was an option to have front brakes on these trucks back in the day. So this truck is running around with no front brakes. And this thing was rust-free. It was a Midwest car, so it was rust-free. Here's another closer look at that custom. So it's got a chopped top, sitting on an S10 frame, just like the Bobby's 49 is. And he said, run smooth. Yeah. Louver top. Remember them from back in the day? They're still cool today. Yep. And I want to say congratulations to Jeff.
Congratulations, Jeff.
Once again, I'm in his Camaro. There's the owner right there presenting him with a cash prize. She said, here, you can buy your own trophy. He said, it's okay. I'll keep the money. But there you go. You got best of show right there and a cash prize. So All right, so and like I said, a week and a half we leave. We're heading to Ocean City for cruising Ocean City. So I hope to see you down there. Check out the videos.